Do you have a drone? Do you want to legalize it? Do you want to save yourself from any sort of penal actions? If your answers are affirmative, then this video is meant for you. This video is actually a must watch for you indeed. So watch the video till the end and do not skip. Drone has become very popular in our country these days. Not only the professionals, passionate videographers and photographers, YouTubers, vloggers, even common travelers are using drones nowadays. And as the drones are now become very affordable and easily available in our country, so number of drone users are also increasing day by day. But most of us do not know that using any unlisted or unregistered drones may cause trouble in our life. We do not know that it is now compulsory to register your drone to the government. Many of us do not know that registering our drones to the government is mandatory now. Whatever size, type or weight be it of, we must register or enlist our drones to the government now. It is compulsory. Be it micro or nano or a large one, we must register this. So in this video I will try to explain the process of registering your drone and make it legal step by step. One thing I must make clear it now, that registering your drone to the government doesn't allow you to fly the drone anywhere, anytime. Actually, you must follow the rules or guidelines, whatever you may say, of the Civil Aviation Department of our country to fly the drone. You cannot get the permission to fly it at in the no-fly zone or restricted zones. Most of the modern drones do not take off actually in the restricted zones or no-fly zones. They are quite intelligent, but drones which do not have such features, in that case you must comply with the guidelines of the Civil Aviation Department. So let's start explaining the process. Be with me. A small request before that, please like and share the video, subscribe the channel Living Insolito and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video you get a notification. When you type this digitalsky.dgca.gov.in and hit enter, then this website opens and you should click on go to drone enlistment site, which is on the top right corner of the screen. This opens up then, and here is the rules and regulations regarding the registration process and what documents you must make ready before you go for registration. These are described here. I will be giving a short note on that and regarding which documents you should prepare before starting the registration process. If you are registering or enlisting your drone as an individual user, the first document you need is the scanned copy of passport's first and last page or Aadhaar card's front and back view. In both the cases, both the pages should be scanned in one sheet. Second document you need is the copy of your highest educational qualification. The third document you need is the copy of any utility bill like electricity bill, water bill, gas or fixed line telephone bill or mobile phone bill, probably as an address proof. And if you don't have any of these, then you can provide your bank statement of last 3 months. In that case, you can black out the financial details of the statement. Then you need 3 high quality pictures of your drones. Here is a twist actually. Let me explain. You need actually front view, top view of the drone and a close-up view of the manufacturer's serial number. In all the cases, all the three photographs should be taken by placing a ruler by the side of the drone just to show the actual size of your drone. I have tried to show the entire system in these three photographs I have provided to register my drone. See, a ruler is placed in front or in side of the drone. If you are enlisting your drone on behalf of any organization, then you need two additional documents. First, the PAN card of the organization, and second, the letter on any official letterhead of that organization certifying you as the user of that particular drone. At the end of this page, there is a tab, Enlist My Drone. So you should click on this. And now the filling up process started. Full name, email, mobile number, password, confirm password, and then a captcha you have to type, and then click on generate OTP. Then you will have to fill up all the fields here, including your name, email ID, mobile number, father's name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, and so on. And after completing this, you will get the OAN, owner acknowledgement number. After getting this, you will have to enlist your drones. If you have more than one drones, you have to enlist everyone one by one. Here, enlist new drones. You have to fill again all the fields, including the name of the manufacturer, model number, year of manufacturing, serial number of the manufacturer, etc. And then have to upload the previously stored images, which I have explained earlier how to take these images, including a ruler on the side of the drone. And once you have done with this, your drones will be enlisted and you will get the DAN, drone acknowledgement number. So what are you waiting for? Go and get your OAN and DAN right now. Get your drone enlisted and make yourself free from the tension of being penalized. Okay? Happy droning.